Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about the application of the computers. Now you may have a question. What is meant by the application? Application means how the computers are used in the different fields. Means how the computer is useful in the school, in the library, in the shops, in the banks, etc. So we see one by one what are the different application of the computers. You know that the computer is a machine, and computer is used in the schools, banks, shops, railway stations, etc. Okay, so we see one by one the computer applications. First is the homes, means how the computer is used in homes. Computers are used in the homes for. Now I will show you a picture and you will tell me or you will decide how the computer is used for this purpose. Okay, now this is the picture. Now you can guess how the computer used for this purpose. So for the playing games. So this is the one use of the computer at home. Now next we see a picture. Now see this picture. You can guess what this boy is doing. So computer are also used for the listening the music. Also it is used for the watching the movies. Now which are the different softwares we can use for the listening the music and also for the watching the movies. I will show you one the software that we can use. For example, let's see, for example here is one movie or the one the video. So when you right click you can see different options. For example, open with, for example this is the one option, that's a VLC media player or the Windows media player. So these are the two softwares we can use to play the what music or the video. Okay, you see the use of that computer for the listening music and the watching the movies. Okay, next now drawing the picture. Now you know that how to draw the picture with the help of the computers. Yes, we can use the Tux Paint or we can also use the word the Microsoft Paint software to draw the pictures. Okay, next is the writing the letters. So which softwares we can use for the writing the letters? We can use simple that notepad also we can use. We can also use the Word. We can also use the other softwares for writing the letters at home. Okay, next, computer is also used for the store the address and the phone numbers at home. So these are the different application or we can say the use of the computer at the home. Now next, schools, means how the computers are used in the schools. You know that computers are also used in the schools for teachers and the students. So computers are used in the schools by the teachers for preparing the lessons. Yes, means for example, now if I am teaching you using this computer, using that PowerPoint presentation, or we can also use the Word or any software for the preparing the lessons. Teaching the different subjects. Yes, means we can teach the different subjects by using the computers. For example, you can teach math, you can teach science, you can teach English or any subject using the computers. Now making the report cards, means if you want to make the result you can use the computer for making the report cards. Now computer is also used by the student for what purpose? Computer is also used by the students for learning the different subjects. Means if you want to learn the math or the English or the science, you can use the computers. Next, searching the information, means if you want to search a particular information, we can take the help of the computers. For example, you can use the Google to search any information related to your subjects. Okay, so these are the different application, or we can say the use of the computer in the schools. Next, we can also prepare the projects with the help of the, we can say, the PowerPoint or the Word document for preparing your projects. Now next is the medicine. Now, how can we use the computer in the medicine field? You know that, I think you when you visit a computer, okay, there are different softwares in computers, for example Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or any other software. So this computer can also be used in the medical field or the in the hospitals. Okay, now we see how it is used in the hospitals or the medical field. So computer is also used in the field of the medicine. So computers are used to store the medical records of the patient. Means when you go to the doctor will record your information in the computer, and when you go next time, he will again see your history or the information in the computers. Means we can store the medical records of the patient in the computers. This is the use of the that computer for storing the medical records of the patient. Next, computers are used for medical tests and the surgeries in the hospital. Means we can use the computer for medical test and surgeries, means operations in the hospitals. Now I will show you a picture so you can understand how it is used in the medical test and the surgeries. See this picture here, that a person or doctor is showing the that one of the body part, okay, by using the computers. Another picture is showing that we can is called the CT scan or MRI, which will scan your body using the computer. This is the one of the use of computer in the medical or the hospitals. Next, computers are also used for monitoring patients' health information. Means we can also monitor the patient's health information, whether he is okay or not, where he is feeling well or not. Okay, these are the different use or the applications of the computers in home, school, and medicine. Okay, now in the next lesson we will study about the different application of the computers in different fields. Okay.